Hello，你好，你好吗？我很好。Last time we learned the adjective word 好 and then which means hungry. And today we will learn a little bit more adjective word. Remember this one, we pronounce like It sounds like in British accent, bird, urgent, not urgent, urgent, this right? Means hungry. And then here, 热 means hot. This R with it pronounced like, this R is like so 热. At the beginning, you feel you cannot pronounce that clear. And even you say 热 and 热 and 热, it's not a big problem because there's no similar words. And we can say Beijing 热. Beijing is hot. And we learned 好 means good. And let's learn another adjective. 好吃 sounds familiar, right? 好 means good. 吃 it's eating. And 好吃 together means delicious. It's especially for the food. Once you eat, you say 好吃,好吃,好吃. And then how would you say this one is good? Yeah, you can say 这个很好吃. Even you just want to say this one is good, and you better put a 很 here. It's for people notice, you're talking about the adjective. And 这个很好吃, 这个很好. 好 normally for once you say something's good quality. Because sometimes good tea may be not tasty and good food may be not tasty. So we have a 好 and 好吃. Last time we learned a sentence when you need to say, I love to eat this one, we say, 我爱吃这个. And today we need to learn once you're in the restaurant, you want to order the food. We need to say, I want to eat this. I know in Western, want sounds like impolite, but for us, we need to say this 要. 要 means want. And for Chinese, in Chinese language, 要 is not a bad, it's not impolite words. It just shows something I 100% will do it. And because 要 means 100%, also could be need. So I want, I need, we both say 要. Because in the restaurant, you definitely don't want to confuse the waitress, like you are thinking to have this one or you want this one. So in China, better always say 我要 something once you are in the restaurant, and then they're clear, you will pay for it. And for drinking, and we say 喝 sounds like you are drinking something sound. So 喝 means to drink. Then how to say I drink this one? 我喝这个. And then I want to drink this one. 我要喝这个. That's why in the restaurant you can point at the menu, say 我要吃这个 or 我要喝这个. Once you hear people say 咖啡, then you know it's a coffee. 茶 it's a tea. 可乐 it's a Coke. And then 水 means water. And maybe you hear people saying like feng shui. In China, people always care about feng shui. Feng shui literally means wind and water. It's about how the environment influences people. So 水, it is water. And remember 热. If you want to say, I want to drink hot tea, we say 我要喝热茶. Now, of course, Chinese people like to 喝热水. So you can put adjective before the things. 热茶,热水. Okay, now take a guess of this word. 热狗. Remember 狗? 狗 is dog. 热狗, hot dog. So in China we do say 热狗. And then 你爱吃热狗吗? If you hear the 吗, it's people asking you, do you love to eat hot dog? You can answer 爱吃 or 不爱吃. So let's try to say this sentence in Chinese. This one is hot. 这个热. And in Chinese way we say 这个很热. My dog eats hot dog. 我的狗吃热狗. 我的狗吃热狗. My mom's dog doesn't eat hot dog. 我的妈妈的狗不吃热狗. 吃 is the first tone, so doesn't we say 不. 我的妈妈的狗不吃热狗. I want to eat this. 我要吃这个. 我要吃这个. I need to drink water. 我要喝水. 我要喝水. He need this. 他要这个. So I will not write the answer. Please listen. I love to drink coffee. 我爱喝咖啡. 我爱喝咖啡. She loves to drink hot coffee. 她爱喝热咖啡. This coffee is very hot. 这个咖啡很热. I don't drink tea. 我不喝茶. I don't like to drink tea. Oops, mistake. Also, 我不爱喝茶. Once we talk about the food or drink, all the like, we like to say 爱. So, 我不爱喝茶. Now, how about you? 你爱喝茶吗? Think about how to answer it. 你爱喝茶吗? 喝 or 不喝. 爱喝 or 不爱喝. Let's have some revision of the first lesson. The people we learned 我, 你, 他, 我们, 你们, 他们 for plural, mama and 爸爸. And then we learned how to say I love to eat something. We say 我爱吃这个. And I want or I need to. 我要吃这个 or 我要喝那个. Okay, 好. So now today's class, let's finish until here and see you in next class. And 再见, goodbye, have a nice day.